Okay guys, so I have a whole little strip of carrots right here in this raised garden bed that I'm going to harvest today. I planted them in late winter, so they haven't had much time to grow, but we're having a little heat wave here. The high today is going to be 100, yesterday was 98, and the next 2 days is ranging from 95 to 98. So I want to get these up before they start bolting and getting bitter. And I have my little helper here to help me harvest my carrots, my baby. Okay, so do you want to start picking some?
I saw this really big one somewhere.
Well, go ahead and just pull them all up and see what we get. Oh, that is that's a pretty one. All right, let's see what we got. Go ahead and put them in the basket.
I got a little one.
It's okay, we're gonna harvest them big and small. Go ahead and see what we have. Make sure not to get the onions that are in there. I also have onions in here interplanted. Yep, so just pull along this strip.
I think this one's a good one.
You don't have to pull one by one, you can pull them all. Ooh, show them. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh my god, it was growing so.
It's just another little tiny baby one.
I always grab the baby ones. Sometimes.
Well, we're grabbing them all. So it's okay if you grab the baby ones.
I'm gonna go for this big pile right here.
Nice. Is one of them twisted? Oh no, they're not. They're not. Actually, I think one of them is twisted.
This one.
Yep. Look at that. Look like they're dancing. Okay, come on, keep going. Whoa, almost fell. That's a nice one. Like I said, none of them are too big because we planted them in late winter.
I got a big one earlier.
Did you?
Well, I didn't pick it, but when you told me to pick some carrots, I got a big one.
Oh, yes. The last week or so. Those ones were the biggest ones that I used for you to go to school with.
Oh.
Oh, those ones are all small.
I guess over there are small ones.
Oh, come on up. Come on up. Shake away the soil.
Ooh, look at this big one.
Oh, that is a nice one. Oh,
there's a lot of baby ones though.
Yep, there is, but that's okay. We'll still use them.
For something.
Well, the baby carrot would probably be perfect for you and Riley to eat with some ranch. I'm thinking about maybe making a carrot cake. Yeah, those are nice. Oh, you want to pick it? Oh, hi, Mama. You gonna pick them?
I want to pick the one.
Okay, go ahead and pick some.
I got a small little one.
You did. Put down your tablet.
Oh, I see one. You got it.
What you got? Show me.
Tiny one.
It's a baby one like you.
Hey! Remember tiny?
Remember, there's some down the line, Riley. You can go further down.
Oh yeah, I forgot about one. Right here?
Yep, that's fine. Oh!
You got a big one, Riley. Big like you. Yep. 25 pounds.
Now, the ones towards the back are going to be all smaller because they didn't get that much sunlight. Thank you.
I got so much. It doesn't matter. We're still going to use some.
We are.
Wait.
Use 2 hands if you need to, Riley.
No, I got a big one.
Oh, that's a beautiful one. That's the biggest one so far.
It was all the way in the back, too.
Was it?
Yeah.
Riley, you got to go further down, my love. You're just ripping off the tops.
I think I know why, because it was near the water outage.
Oh, that's probably why. Try to go further down. There you go. Rip it up by the base. Use 2 hands. There we go.
All the ones near the water thing. All the ones.
Ooh.
All the ones near the water are big. Do you see the baby one?
I do see the baby ones.
It's all the ones tiny. Look at when I'm born.
Yeah, they're beautiful too, Elaine.
Look like when I'm born.
Look like when you were born.
Yeah. I got another one.
You're right. The ones back there are beautiful. Wait, we gotta clean them. Don't eat them yet.
I got some other ones too.
Thank you.
That one didn't grow all the way. I think I'm getting them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how small I thought they all were going to be. Yeah, put them in there. Put them in.
It smells good.
Oh yeah, the carrot tops. You guys know carrot tops are edible too. You guys can eat the carrot tops. People use them for things in recipe as well. I didn't really mean.
Kind of like parsley.
Yeah, kind of like parsley. You are correct. That's nice that you figured out that taste. Remember, go lower to the base, so you can rest them up.
So you don't just.
There you go. And watch out for the onions.
I need to move the onions.
Yeah. I have onions in here.
The onions smell
Yeah,
good.
there you go. Come on, go ahead. You can grab it.
Down.
Go lower. Go lower.
All I did was grab soil.
Yep.
But a little tiny carrot. Ah! There was a bug on it.
Yeah, that will happen. Come on, shake it out.
It looked like a black bug. For a second, I thought it was a spider.
No, it's just a bug that lives in the soil.
Do spiders live in the soil?
No, they live on top of the soil. Oh, that one didn't grow. I think that's oh, I see it.
See what?
That one didn't grow at all.
Not
Wait, Riley, watch out for the onions.
I think it was just starting to grow. Is this the onions?
Nope, that's not the onions. Here, go lower. Go right here.
Hey, that's helping me. Riley.
I'm just making sure you don't get my onions, darling. Come on, use those muscles.
Ew, don't close. Get the muscles.
You just got all up in her way. Ooh, that's why she couldn't get it. That was a beautiful carrot. Look at that one, Riley. Look, you picked that one.
Do you see the tiny one?
I do see the tiny one.
Mommy, look at.
Yep, good job.
Ah!
Yeah, muscles.
You're not wearing any shoes, right? Yeah, I know.
She got on socks.
Yeah, but it's gonna get all dirty.
That it is. You are correct.
I got one. Give me that. Give me that one.
It's because it's tied in with grass.
Look it. Look it. It's a big fat one.
What's a big fat one?
One of the carrots.
Or was it? I didn't see that one.
It's so tiny.
It's so tiny.
Now they're just single ones in here.
All right. We got most of them. Now just the grass and little tiny baby ones.
Look it.
So yeah. Okay, so we'll leave the rest. Maybe they'll grow, maybe they won't. Riley, that's an onion. So yes, here's our carrot harvest. Not bad, not bad. Look at that. Our carrots harvest 2025. Okay, guys, we'll leave the rest. Here's the tiny one. You guys have a good one.
That one.
Oh, you make a flower. Thank you, guys.